I have been contemplating all day on what look I wanted to do for you guys today. And I was like, what the heck? Go bold. Go bold or go home. I was like, you know what? It's my launch day for Shady Lashes. And I'm so thirsty. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm your girl, Jaleesa Chavez. So you are at the right place, at the right time, on the right day, like all of that good stuff. You're here for a reason. You came to check out this beautiful neon, bold, bright colored makeup tutorial. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button for more videos, and comment a neon colored emoji because your girl is looking kind of rough. Alrighty, so I've been having really bad problems with my skin ever since I visited home. When I went home, y'all, my skin was bad. So I don't really do anything special with my brows. I like to use a pencil. I'm not a fan of like pomade or liquid or gel or none of that extra stuff. Like I just like a nice pencil with a nice spoolie. Alrighty, after filling in the brows, we are going to clean the brows. I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Super Stay Concealer. And I like to use the number 40 medium. I go in on the back of my hand. I do not like to apply it right to the face anymore because I see that it doesn't give me a really clean brow. And then I'm gonna go in with my concealer brush. It's the Beach Cosmetics number 130 brush. Light strokes. And just carve out the brow. Now you definitely can use this concealer as an eyeshadow base. I'm gonna go in with the P. Louise base. This is the number 2. And this really gives you a nice canvas for your eyeshadow. It makes your eyeshadow really pop and stay on longer. And then you can blend it with your finger or brush, doesn't matter. And however you apply the concealer is how your eyeshadow will go on. So you want it to be really nice and smooth. So for color today, I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place, the Zulu palette. This palette is so pretty. It was my first palette that I ever had with like big, bold, bright colors, and I absolutely love it. Super pigmented. I'm going to go with my Beach Cosmetics 141 brush, and I'm going to start packing on the lime green shade in this palette. I don't need a transition because my whole eye will be lime green. And I'm packing on the color first before I go in and like try to blend it out because I really am setting the concealer first. Wow, this looks so bold, you guys, like so bold. And one thing I absolutely love about this shadow is it does not have fallout. Like I'm packing on a lot of product and it's not falling out at all. Alrighty, after the Juvia's Place palette, I want it to be a lot more bold, a lot more green. I'm gonna go in with my James Charles Morphe palette. I'm gonna go in with this top corner green here, which is the lime green in this palette. The color of this shade is Social Blade. And I'm going to blend out the edges. It's so refreshing and like, whoa, like bold, but not too much going on, you know? It's like perfect. Alrighty, after applying that, we are basically done with the top of the eyes. So I'm gonna go in with my makeup removing towel. These are much more gentle and good for your skin. So these are a lifesaver, huge tip. If your skin gets irritated and it's like very sensitive when it comes to using certain types of wipes and makeup remover, get you one of these and some warm water and your life will never be the same. For moisturizer, I like to use the Murad Pore Rescue Balancing Moisturizer. This has SPF 30 in it, and it love, love, love this moisturizer. After moisturizer, I'm gonna go in with the Lancome La Base Pro Primer, and I only need about 2 pumps of this. I like to apply this wherever my pores are the worst. This gives me a really nice base, truly a luxury product. So because I'm having really bad acne scarring and hyperpigmentation going on, I need a very full coverage. So that I don't have to apply so much foundation, I'm going to go into full coverage concealer, which is the Sephora Make No Mistake Concealer. I use the shade 11 Nutmeg. This concealer is really, really good, you guys, and it helps with any discoloration, and you don't need a lot. You just need like a pea-sized amount to fix all of your problems. I can't stress that enough. You don't need a lot of this concealer to get the job done. And I just go in and erase any discoloration, hyperpigmentation, acne scarring, all of that. I've actually covered up my hand tattoo with this concealer. For foundation today, I'll be using my Collab Meet Your Matte Velvet Foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. You can find this at your local Sally's Beauty Supply. Thank you so much, Collab, for sending me your foundations to try. I am in the shade Cinnamon, and in the wintertime, I mix it with Chestnut. This has like a deeper golden, and then this one's more yellow for my summertime look. So I just go in with about 3 pumps of this on the back of my hand to warm the product up. And then I start in the center of my face and then work my way out. You don't want to disturb your color correction you just did, so you want to do dabbing motions. Alrighty, after foundation is all laid, I let it sit for about 5 minutes before I move on. I figured out that it just really gives it time to oxidize, and all of the products that you lay on top of your foundation will lay so much smoother, so much better if you kind of just let the product settle and get into those fine lines and pores. So while I let that sit, I'm just going to touch up my eyeshadow. All right, for concealer, I'm gonna go into the Juvia's Place concealer in the number 10. This is my color correcting shade, so this is just going to be an extra layer for color correction and to get rid of any dark circles or darkness under the eye. You wanna go in with your beauty blender and very light pressure to blend this under the eye. Then to highlight and brighten under the eye, I'm gonna go with the Kylie Jenner Skin Concealer in Peanut. Give me fierce, give me Beyonce. Okay, so now you can start blending it after it has basically dried down a little bit. You can control it more. And you want to use very gentle pressure. You don't wanna go in too hard and beat all of the product away. You want it to stay exactly where you placed it. And I'm keeping it all in the center of the face, as you can see. And then I turn my beauty blender upside down to get in between the brows. I'm going to be contouring today with, I'm gonna contour with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I like to use the shade Dark One Cafe. All right, then I'm gonna go with a nice fluffy brush. This is my Prolux Concealer powder brush. And it's specifically made to give you like that airbrushed type of a look. And I blend the concealer up here. I blend it kind of like in circular motions here so that it all flows, you know? And then when I get to the jawline, you want to blend downward towards the chin. So you're going like this way and down. Look at that jawline though, like no jawline, jawline, no jawline, jawline. I push the powder in one time. I kind of do like a boom, 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 boom. And then I push that layer in first. So first you want to set it. Then after you've set it, you can go in with your second layer to bake. To contour, I'm going to use my OG Sephora Contour Blush Palette. I honestly almost forgot about this palette because I started getting so many contour powders, but this is my favorite contour palette. And I like to use an angle brush because it literally fits my whole cheekbone. Before we highlight, I like to go ahead and set my face one good time with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Alrighty, now I'm going to highlight. My face is about 95% dry. I'm going to use the same Sephora palette and dip into that middle highlighting color. I'm going to apply this on the high points of the face. Alrighty, to complete the eye, I'm going to go back in with my James Charles Morphe palette to really make that under eye pop just like the top. Instead of applying a concealer there, I'm gonna go in with the 12 Hour Made to Last eyeshadow pencil. It's a white eyeshadow pencil, so I want that color to pop. If I give it a nice white base or very bright base, that color will cling and it will give me a really dope, like bold look. I'm gonna look up and I'm going to smudge this all in the bottom of my eye. All right, now I'm gonna go back into the shadow. You wanna tap off any excess so that it won't fall out on your foundation. And just push that powder right into the pencil. So I put the matte down first and then I'm topping it with the shimmer one. This is my lash brand, you guys. Shady Lashes is now ready to order. It is now available for purchase. Like, you can get your Shady Lashes today. It doesn't matter where you are. You can be in Texas, Arizona, California, like deep down under, like on the moon. You can place your order today. I ship US and Canada, international. Like, what? My brand's going international? That's crazy. I'm gonna wear the style Jaleesa today. I feel like it's only right because, you know, it's my most glam style and it resembles me. It's very bold and courageous and just like, I'm here. So I'm going to pop these on. If you want to see a full in-depth tutorial on how to put your eyelashes on, go ahead and click the link in the description box. I have a how to apply your Shady Lashes or how to apply any lashes tutorial up for you. I go really into detail on what the tools you need and how to get them to look like they are your lashes and to even last a couple days. Alrighty, Shady Lashes are on. Don't they look amazing? Oh my goodness. We are going to finish off this look with our lips. So first I'm going to line my lips with a clean color lip liner pencil in Cabriole. And then for lips, I'm going to use the matte lipstick by Ruby Kisses OG matte lipstick. Seriously, one of the best matte lipsticks ever, in the color Brown Sugar. I'm going to top off this lipstick with a lip gloss. I'm going to use the Aveda Nourishment Rehydrating Lip Glaze. And it has like a brownish, nudish type of tint to it, so it really balances out with this light lipstick. Alrighty, thank you guys so much for coming to watch this makeup tutorial. I really hope that you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. If you guys want to see, once again, an in-depth tutorial on how to apply your lashes, the description box will have the link. Thank you guys so much for supporting Shady Lashes. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you in my next video.